Welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors. Today I have a 2015 Vauxhall Astra. I'm going to show you how to reset code number 82 or service light. I done the service. I'm going to start the car and show you what I mean. See, it's display code number 82. Also you can see as it is here spanner sign. It's mean oil service due. That's mean oil service percentage nearly to 0. First of all, need to switch off the car. Then after that we need to on ignition mode. That means just first turn, just parking brake light on, and when you go to the second turn, all light on. That's mean ignition on. Then after that need to press menu. Then after that we need to use up and down arrows, and if you need to press OK, end of the stick there is a button. This is the one, OK button. I'm going to show you how to do it now. Press menu, again press menu. You can see as it is oil service 4% left reset, but my one, when I press second time, it's coming to the oil reset menu. But if you not coming to your one, you need to go this one. I'm going to show you. See, you can go like that, up or down, then it's coming to the same menu. You can go either way. When you press menu couple of times, it will come into the oil reset. If it not, press menu button first, then after that using this one until it's come to reset. Once you come to reset, you have to press and hold this button. I'm going to press and hold now. Once the beep come, you have to release the button. Then you can see as it is going to be 100% now. That's the way you have to reset the oil service light. Also, you can check again, switch off, switch on the car, have a look, any warning light at the dashboard. If it's there, you have to repeat the same thing. If it's not there, again switch off. You can double check with like this way, ignition on, go to the menu. Now you can see as it is oil percentage 100. That's mean it's reset. Thanks for watching. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors. Don't forget to subscribe us. If you have any question, comments, please mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. See you with another video.